You've heard the saying, a picture's worth 1,000 words, right? Some researchers decided that if a picture is worth 1,000 words, then 1 minute of video is worth 18 million words. Crazy, right? I doubt if that's true. But what I know from 6 years of working in the industry is that people enjoy watching videos and believe what they hear in a video more than what they read, like testimonials, for example. People are more likely to click to watch a video in an email than read a long article in that same email. And here's the really good news. People begin to know you if you do a video series. And if they like you, it will speed up your sales cycle because through your videos, they've come to trust you. I think most people know the value of video in today's marketing landscape, but many are nervous about being on camera or just don't know what to say. I've got the solution for you. Register today for my 90-minute hands-on workshop at Chesterland Innovation Center, and you'll learn how to write scripts and deliver your content on video in a way that engages your viewers. You'll even have an opportunity to practice. And if you want, you'll create and film a 30-second video that you can use on social media or your website. Hope to see you there. Register soon because spaces are limited.